So I just finished making a sauce. It's a Barilla ricotta sauce. I just sauteed it in, although this is already ready to eat, I just sauteed it in onions and garlic. And then I added some crushed tomatoes because I like it a little bit sour, but I like the sourness of the fresh tomatoes. And then I boiled the pasta. This is rigatoni, which I'm going to pour sauce now so that I can incorporate the sauce to the pasta. I'm not gonna mix all the sauce with the pasta because I don't think it will be, but I think it needs, okay, I will just pour all the pasta there in the sauce so that it will have a generous amount of sauce. I'm sorry, I have to do that. Change of mind. I want the pasta to have a generous amount of sauce. So I think that's it. Later on, I will garnish it with Parmesan cheese. I just want to make sure that the pasta, the insides of the pasta are all covered in sauce, because this is the beauty. And then since it has dried up a bit, I'm just gonna add a bit of pasta water. Just a bit of pasta water so that our sauce can dilute and the pasta can absorb the pasta water. That will make the sauce a little bit watery, and it can incorporate to the pasta very well. I also added some parsley and oregano in this sauce for a tastier kick. So that's it for our pasta.